Apple snails. They seem harmless, even beautiful, with their swirling shells and peaceful movements. These freshwater snails, often larger than their counterparts, are native to South America. They are captivating creatures, drawing the eye with their unique appearance. However, beneath their gentle facade lies a potential threat. Apple snails can become invasive, disrupting the balance of ecosystems far from their original home. Their story is a reminder that even the most innocuous-seeming creatures can have unintended consequences when introduced to new environments. As we admire the apple snail, we must also understand the importance of responsible stewardship of our natural world. The delicate balance of nature is easily disrupted, and it is our duty to protect the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The journey of the apple snail from South American waterways to ecosystems across the globe is a tale interwoven with human actions. Initially, these snails captivated aquarium enthusiasts with their size and striking appearance. The pet trade became a conduit for their introduction to new regions, often unintentionally. Snails released into the wild, whether accidentally or deliberately, found themselves in environments lacking natural predators. This lack of natural checks on their population growth allowed apple snail numbers to explode in some areas. Their ability to reproduce rapidly, laying clutches of hundreds of eggs, further fueled their spread. What began as a seemingly harmless fascination with an exotic creature quickly transformed into an ecological challenge. The apple snail, once confined to a specific region, became a global citizen, its presence felt in the waterways of Asia, Africa, and North America. The impacts of apple snails on their adopted ecosystems are multifaceted and far-reaching. As voracious herbivores, they consume large quantities of aquatic plants, disrupting the delicate balance of these environments. Native plant species, vital for maintaining water quality and providing habitat for other organisms, can be decimated by these hungry invaders. This disruption cascades through the food web, impacting fish, insects, and other creatures that rely on these plants for sustenance and shelter. The decline of native species can have cascading effects, ultimately impacting the overall health and biodiversity of the ecosystem. Beyond their ecological impact, apple snails also pose a threat to agriculture, particularly in rice paddies, where they can damage crops and reduce yields. Addressing the challenges posed by invasive apple snails requires a multi-pronged approach, combining prevention, control, and education. Preventing further introductions is paramount. Raising awareness among aquarium owners about the risks associated with releasing exotic pets into the wild is crucial. Control measures often involve a combination of manual removal, traps, and in some cases, carefully regulated use of molluscicides. However, these methods can be labor-intensive and may have unintended consequences for other organisms. Research into biological control agents, such as specific parasites or predators that target apple snails, offers a potential long-term solution. Ultimately, successful management of invasive apple snails requires a concerted effort from governments, scientists, and the public,